right, today we're going to be making these cute little foxes, or one fox. You can make as many fox as you would like if you have all the paper. This is just a square 6x6 piece of paper, but you could do it larger or smaller if you prefer. The first fold, I have mine in a diagonal, kind of like a diamond. I'm just going to fold the bottom corner up to the top corner and line that up and make sure I get these creases really nice and creased. All right, then I'm just gonna open that up, and then I'm gonna rotate the diamond to the opposite side, and then I'm gonna take this corner that already has the line on it and fold it up to the opposite corner and crease that as well. Once you have that creased, you're going to take your right or your left, it doesn't matter which way you start, but you're going to take the bottom part of your triangle and you're going to fold it up to the middle line, so corner to middle corner. Okay, then you're going to take the other corner and you're going to fold it in the middle as well, and then you either have a smaller diamond or a smaller square depending on how you're looking at it. All right, and now you're gonna flip it over and you're gonna fold it in half right along this line right here. So you wanna have it situated so this, this triangle right here comes up, and then this one comes up like this, and then this is open. So you want all of your pieces of paper to be open on this side and all the folds to be on that side. That makes sense. And then I'm going to hold it this way, and I'm going to fold this corner up to this middle part right here, so it looks like that. And then I'm going to crease all of these. Okay, and now I'm going to kind of open them back up. This is going to be an ear, and this is going to be an ear, and this is going to be the face. And so the way that this works is this just pops up. You want to open it up so that it's going to, I'll turn it this way, so that it opens up like this, and then you just kind of fold it down on itself like that. And then we'll kind of just fold that to crease it and then pop the face back up. So there's your face, and then the only other thing you have to do is fold the tail so that your fox will stand up. So you fold your tail flush like this along this line right here. And so then you can kind of pull his legs apart and he can stand up like that. So you also want to have a pen or a marker so that you can give your fox a little face. So you can draw a little nose on him, and then little eyes. And then you have your finished fox.